We think moisturizers simply add water to the skin, but they actually don't. Real hydration is about balance between loss and retention. Every good moisturizer is a small piece of skin engineering built for that balance. Your skin's outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is only 20 microns thick, yet it protects your entire body. It's made of flattened, dead cells called corneocytes, packed with keratin and surrounded by lipids. This paper-thin armor decides whether your skin stays soft or turns dry.
The skin barrier works like a wall. Corneocytes are the bricks, and lipids, mainly ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids, form your mortar. When the mortar cracks, water escapes, and the wall collapses.
To restore that wall, moisturizers use 3 strategies: humectants, occlusives, and emollients. Humectants pull water toward the skin. Occlusives trap it by forming a surface film, and emollients fill microcracks to make the skin smooth again. Modern moisturizers don't just seal moisture. They rebuild the lipid structure of the skin. By restoring ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids in precise ratios, they recreate the lamellar layers that lock water inside. It's barrier repair at the molecular level. But how do you pack oil and water together? Through emulsions, microstructures that hold oil droplets suspended in water, or vice versa. Oil and water emulsions feel light and fresh. Water and oil are richer, more protective. Every texture is a different balance between chemistry and comfort. The way a cream feels isn't random, it's physics. Formulators control viscosity and flow so the product spreads easily but stays stable. A good moisturizer is thixotropic, thick in the jar, fluid on the skin. That's why some formulas feel luxurious while others feel heavy or sticky. Texture isn't just luxury. It's what makes us keep using a product. If a cream spreads easily, absorbs fast, and feels silky, it's not by chance. It's formulation engineering. We're more likely to use what feels good, and that's how science quietly improves our skin every day. Some moisturizers go even further, using liposomes, nanoemulsions, and lamellar gels. These systems release ingredients slowly, mimic the skin's natural lipid structure, and target delivery exactly where the barrier needs repair. Hydration isn't a feeling, it's measurable. Researchers use corneometry to measure water content in the stratum corneum and TEWL meters to track how much moisture escapes. When TEWL drops, it means your barrier is truly repaired.
Moisturizers don't just hydrate, they rebuild. They merge biology, chemistry, and physics into one elegant layer of protection. Hydration isn't magic, it's architecture. And that's what makes every cream a quiet piece of science. Stay curious and stay hydrated. Subscribe to CosmetoScope.